Hey boys and girls, so we're going to get a little warm up in. We're going to practice some digraphs chunks and some sight words. Let's get started. Ooh, say it when you see it. Now we're ready for 3 in a row. Look at it. Think. Say 'em. Shh. Look. Think. Say 'em. Shh. Ch. Look at 'em. Think. Say 'em. K. Ch. All. Look at 'em. Think. Say 'em. Sh. Sh. All. Look at 'em. Think. Say 'em. K. Sh. Look at 'em. Think. Say 'em. Sh. Ch. All. Look. Think. Say 'em. K. Ch. All. Look. Think. Say 'em. Sh. Sh. Look at 'em. Think 'em. Say 'em. Sh. Ch. Ooh, now we have our read a row. I'm going to uncover a row. I want you to read it out loud, and then we'll go back and read it together. Here you go. Here we go. Let's read them together. K, ch, k, sh, ch, sh. Awesome job. Now we're going to do our sight word pop-up. Let's read them when we see them. Good. Saw. Please. New. Own. Please. Make. Good. Own. Ooh, 3 in a row. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. New. Saw. Good. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Please. Good. Own. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Good. Own. New. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Good. Saw. Good. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. New. New. Good. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Make. New. Saw. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Saw. Own. Good. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Own. New. New. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Let's read 'em. saw, own, own. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Let's read 'em. New, own, own. Ooh, nice work. Now we're going to read a row. I'm going to uncover this first row. I want you to read it out loud, and then we'll go back and read it together. All right, boys and girls, let's read them together. Here we go. Ready? New, make, own. Saw, new. Good, new, saw. Nice work, boys and girls. Have a great day.